Stop saying I don't know what to say in English. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. Today, I will fix this problem for you. By the end of this video, you will speak about your full day in English. You will use simple sentences with confidence, and you will not feel stuck anymore. Hello and welcome to Speak Flow English. My name is Sayo and I am happy you are here. This is your space to listen, repeat, and speak English slowly. Today we will learn how to describe your full day in English. We will talk about your morning. We will explore your afternoon. We will describe your evening. By the end, you will speak clearly and naturally. Your day is something you already know. There is no need to search for ideas. You simply talk about your life. You can say what time you wake up. You can describe what you eat. You can explain where you go. You can share how you feel. When you do this, something changes. Your mind becomes more relaxed. You stop translating every word. Your sentences become more natural. Speaking feels easier each day. Imagine someone asks you about your day. You feel calm and ready to answer. You say, I woke up at 7. Then I went to work. Later I had coffee and answered emails. In the evening I made dinner and relaxed. This is real communication. This is your goal in English. Even if you are alone, you can practice. You do not need a classroom. You do not need another person. You can speak to yourself every day. Ask simple questions. What did I do today? What did I eat? Where did I go? Keep your sentences simple. Start with one idea. Then add another idea. Slowly, you will tell full stories. Now, let us begin with the morning. Morning is the start of your day. It gives you fresh energy. It is a great time to think in English. I usually wake up at 7. Sometimes I wake up earlier. On busy days, I wake up at 6:30. If I sleep late, I feel tired. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I think about my plans for the day. Then I get up slowly. I walk to the bathroom. First, I brush my teeth carefully. Then I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel awake. Sometimes I take a quick shower. Soft music makes the moment relaxing. After that, I wear clean clothes. I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually eat simple food. I eat toast, eggs, or fruit. I drink coffee most mornings. Sometimes I drink green tea. While eating, I enjoy the quiet moment. Sometimes I listen to birds outside. Before leaving, I check my phone. I read my messages and check the time. Then I prepare my bag. Finally, I step outside and start my day. Now listen carefully and continue with me. Do not stop your voice here. Keep your focus steady and calm. We will go deeper into your routine. Think again about your morning. Try to add more small details. Describe how your room feels. Explain if the light is bright or soft. Notice how your body feels when you wake up. You can say the air feels cool. You can say the room feels quiet. You can say you feel relaxed or tired. Each small detail makes your English stronger. Now continue your morning again. Speak it slowly one more time. Add one more sentence after each idea. Let your voice flow naturally. Feel your confidence growing step by step. Notice how your sentences become easier. Your mind is starting to stay in English. Now we move slowly into the afternoon. This part of the day is often busy. Many people focus on work or study. Energy may feel lower after lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel a little sleepy. I check my emails carefully. I answer important messages first. I usually have 1 or 2 meetings. I focus on my tasks step by step. Later, I take a short break. I drink tea or water. Sometimes I eat a small snack. Fresh air helps me feel better. If I have free time, I practice English. I listen to simple audio. Sometimes I read a short story. Other times I watch slow videos. I repeat sentences out loud. This practice helps me improve. I feel more confident each day. My speaking becomes more clear. Understanding becomes easier. Before finishing work, I review my day. I write what I completed today. Sometimes I write a new word. This helps me remember and improve. Now continue speaking with me. Do not pause your learning here. Try to describe your own afternoon. Use your own real experience. Keep your voice calm and steady. Think about what you did after lunch. Say it slowly in English. Add small details to each sentence. Describe your actions clearly. If you worked, explain your tasks. If you studied, describe your subjects. If you rested, explain how you felt. Every detail makes your story stronger. Keep going without stopping. Let your thoughts stay in English. Let your voice guide your mind. Now continue naturally into the evening. Do not think of this as an ending. Think of this as the next step in your story. The evening is a time to slow down. Your body begins to relax. Your mind becomes more calm. I come home and sit down. I rest for a few minutes. I take a deep breath and relax. Then I think about my day. Dinner time feels warm and peaceful. I eat with my family or alone. Sometimes I talk and sometimes I stay quiet. The moment feels calm and simple. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I move slowly and finish small tasks. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Fresh air feels nice at night. Before bed, I choose something relaxing. I read a book or listen to music. I let my mind become quiet. I prepare my body for rest. I brush my teeth and get ready to sleep. I go to bed around 10:30. I close my eyes and relax completely. Now, do not stop here. Stay with your voice a little longer. Try to describe your evening again. Add one more detail to each sentence. Say what you ate for dinner. Say who you talked to. Say how you felt at night. Let your story become more complete. You are building something important. You are training your mind to think in English. You are becoming more natural every day. Now go back to the beginning in your mind. Start your day again from the morning. Speak everything one more time. Make your voice smooth and clear. Do not rush your sentences. Take your time with each word. Let your breathing stay calm. Let your thoughts stay simple. If you forget a word, stay relaxed. If you make a mistake, continue speaking. That is how real progress happens. Each time you repeat, you improve. Each time you speak, you grow. Each time you try, you get stronger. Feel your confidence building slowly. Feel your English becoming natural. Feel your fear becoming smaller. You are not just learning English. You are using it in your real life. You are creating a daily habit. Keep practicing like this every day. Even a few minutes is enough. Consistency will change everything. Come back and listen again tomorrow. Repeat everything once more. Add new sentences each time. Stay patient with yourself. Stay focused on your progress. Keep moving forward step by step. This is Speak Flow English. My name is Sayo, and I am proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing.